Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the class of Construction Technology CE 204. This paper appears in your fourth semester and it carries a credit of 4. It is very important for your exam context and it is one of the basic papers. In this construction technology subject, we are dealing with the fifth module. In the fifth module, we have discussed a number of topics such as framed buildings, formwork, expansion and contraction joint, construction joints, etc. Today we are going to deal about the stairs. Stairs are one of the most important part of vertical transportation. It is commonly used in buildings, schools, offices, hospitals, malls and everywhere. So we shall understand the concept of stairs, their components, the different types of stairs, etc. We shall be familiar with this by the end of the session. Myself, Chaitra S., Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT, Adur. Okay, by the end of the session, we'll get answers for certain questions. These questions are: what is a stair? What are the components of a stair? What are the requirements of a stair? And what are the types of stairs? We have seen stairs in our residential buildings, in our schools, hospitals, shopping malls, etc. We're going to learn the details of a stair, the components, what are its components, what are the requirements that a stair should meet, what is the minimum number of steps, what is the maximum number of steps, what are the types of stairs. A type may be based on the pattern in which it is provided, based on the material, like that, the types of stairs. So these are the questions we are going to discuss today. So moving on to our session, the first part, stairs. What are stairs? We'll understand what is a stair. It is a means of vertical transportation. That is the transportation of people and goods from floor to floor in a building. Now let's understand what is a stair. It is a series of steps arranged to connect different floors. For example, if we need to go from the ground floor to the first floor, so steps help us to facilitate this movement. And the room housing the stair is called staircase. Location of stair depends on the position of room and the type of approach needed. Here you can see the stairs, you can see the steps. This is also another example of stair. That is all about stairs. It is a means of vertical transport. Moving on to the components of a stair. First one is the step. It is a flat-topped unit used for moving from one level to another. Next component is tread. It is the upper horizontal portion of a step on which the foot is placed while ascending or descending. Rise. It is a vertical distance between the two successive tread faces. Riser. It is the vertical portion of the step providing support to the tread. Going. It is the horizontal distance between two successive riser faces. Flight. It is defined as the unbroken series of steps between landings. Landing. This is a platform provided between two flights of a stair. Winder. It is a tapering step used for changing the direction of stair and spiral staircases. These are the 8 parts. Next, stringer. The sloping member supporting the step is known as stringer. Nosing. The projecting part of the tread beyond the face of the riser is known as nosing. Pitch or slope. The angle made by the line of nosing with the horizontal is termed as pitch or slope. Handrail. It is the inclined rail provided at the edge of stairs and parallel to the nosing line fixed at about waist height. Baluster. This is the vertical member of wood or metal supporting the handrail. Balustrade. It connects A row of balusters surmounted by handrail. Run. It is the total length of stairs in a horizontal plane, including landings. Newel post. This is the vertical post placed at the end of flight to connect the ends of strings and handrails. Headroom. It is a minimum clear vertical distance between the tread and the overhead structures such as ceilings. Moving on to the requirements of a good stair. Stairs should be designed so as to provide easy, quick and safe mode of communication between the floors. The location of the stair should be such that it should be easily accessible. It should be well lighted and ventilated, and the approaches should be convenient. The width of stair should be such that it should not overcrowd, and the width depends upon the location of the stair and the type of building. The length of flight should be such that number of steps should not be more than 12 and should not be less than 3. The pitch should be such that it is maintained between 30 degree to 45 degree. Headroom shall not be less than 2.1 to 2.3 meters, and the balustrade should be provided in order to ensure safety. Step dimension. Tread should be between 25 to 30 cm and rise 10 to 15 cm. Materials used for the construction of step should have sufficient strength and it should be fire resistant. Next, we are moving on to the types of stairs. Stairs are classified based upon the two criterions, that is based upon the shape and based upon the material. Based upon the shape, stairs are classified as straight, dog-legged, well turning, geometrical, half turn and spiral stairs, and based upon the material it is classified as stone, brick, timber, steel and RCC stairs. Straight stairs are provided where the area is very narrow. It consists of mostly a single flight. Dog-leg stairs consist of two straight stairs with a 180-degree turn, and the well or open stairs is similar to dog-leg, but there is a gap which ranges between 0.5 to 1 meters. Turning stairs, depending upon the availability of space, this type of stairs may turn in various forms. Quarter turn stairs is there, 3/4 turn is there, that is turning stairs. Then geometrical half turn stairs. This type of stair is similar to the well type stair formed between two adjacent flights, is curved. Then the spiral stairs, or they are known as helical stairs, are commonly used as emergency exit. You can look into the detailed sketches. This is a straight stair. It may be provided if the space available for the staircase is narrow. It either consists of one single flight or more than one flight with a landing. This is dog-legged stair. Dog-legged stairs consist of two straight flights with 180-degree turn between them. It is commonly used in residential building. This is open well, similar to the dog-legged, with a gap of 0.15 to 1 meters. This is turning stairs. Where availability of space is less, stairs may turn. This is geometrical half turn stairs, similar to open well stair, except that the well formed between the two adjacent flights is curved, as you can see in the figure. This is spiral stair. Spiral stairs or helical stairs are commonly used as emergency exits. Okay, so we have discussed about the stairs based upon their shape. Now based upon the material, as you can see, the stone stairs are generally used in approaches to basements, heating chambers or in ashlar masonry buildings. Stone stairs are used at places where ashlar stone is readily available. Next is brick stairs. Brick stairs are not very common except at the entrance. Brick steps need frequent maintenance. The material used is brick, as you can see from the figure. Timber stairs. Timber stairs are light in weight and easy to construct but have very poor fire resistance. Next is steel stair. Steel stairs with steel and cast iron are generally used only as emergency stairs. They are not common in residential and public buildings. Next is the commonly used RCC stairs. RCC stairs are widely used for residential and public buildings. They are strong and fire resistant. Let's see some stairs based upon their shape: straight, dog-legged, open well, turning, geometrical stairs, spiral stairs. So in this session, initially we had a number of questions such as what is a stair, what are the components of a stair, what are the requirements of a stair, and what are the different types of stairs. We have discussed, we have seen the drawings, we have seen the actual stair cases, and now we are going to discuss about the previous year questions from these topics. List out the different types of stairs used in building with the neat sketches. It was asked for 6 marks and 5 marks. You have seen the type of stairs based upon their shape and based upon the materials used. Based upon their shape, you have the sketches. You need to draw them and study. It may be asked for you for your university examination. Then the explain the requirements of stairs. We have seen the requirement. It should be easily accessible. That is the location, width of stair, the step dimensions, pitch, etc. You need to list out at least 5 points and explain about them. This is all about the session. Thank you for listening to the session. Thank you.